Hey there, it's Steve from Serious Keto, and in this video, we're getting our Reuben on. But before we do that, if you enjoy low-carb cooking videos, product and ingredient reviews, as well as lessons learned from my experiences with the ketogenic lifestyle and intermittent fasting, click that subscribe button down there. And while you're at it, click the bell next to it so you're notified whenever I release a new video. One of the common questions that I get in the comments is, what chaffles would you recommend for sandwiches? And two of the first requests that I got were the Reuben sandwich, that came from Sarah Clark, and a Cuban or Cubano. And that was kind of triggered by a question that Kyle Walker asked. So thank you guys. That's what we're going to make in this video. First the Reuben, then the Cubano. Let's get making the Reuben. We'll start with my typical base batter of 1 egg beaten, to which we'll add 1/2 cup of shredded mozzarella, a 1/4 teaspoon of caraway seeds, a tablespoon of pork rind crumbs, and a 1/2 tablespoon of brown mustard. I use Dusseldorf. Mix it up and divide in two. It's been 5 minutes, let's see how they look. And we'll assemble our Reuben. Bottom, Swiss, sauerkraut. Now, I don't know if there's an official order for all of these things. I'm just trying to do it in a way that will melt the Swiss as much as possible. A couple slices of deli corned beef. And a little bit of Thousand Island dressing. Now, Thousand Island dressing has 2 grams of carbs per tablespoon, so that's about as much as I want. Top it. Slice it. And let's give it a taste. This is really, really good. I wanted to just keep eating and never tell you how good it was. That's how good it is. I think if you really like the flavor of caraway, you could easily go up to a 1/2 teaspoon of caraway on these. I'm not a big caraway fan. I like, the taste of caraway without getting punched by caraway. So for me, 1/4 teaspoon, right in the sweet spot. I think you could also take these and, maybe hit them with a little cooking spray and then put them on a griddle just to get a little bit more of that griddled Reuben taste, and that might further melt the Swiss. But this is a winner. I think going forward, this will be my go-to recipe for Reuben sandwiches. So thank you, Sarah, for the recommendation. And now for the Cubano sandwich. And this was kind of inspired by a question/comment by Kyle Walker, who wanted me to try out some different sandwiches and wanted to know if there was something that would stand up to pulled pork, and I felt this particular recipe would. So let's get to making it. We start with 1 large egg, beaten. To that, I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of the Keto Connect microwavable bread flour. Give it a good mix. And for this recipe, we are using the Dash Mini Griddle. And we're going to start by adding 1 slice of Swiss cheese on each. Then we'll put half our batter on each side. Not real equal. It's been about 5 minutes, so let's get them out. We'll start with a couple of pickle slices, followed by some deli sliced ham. And yeah, I know I could put on more. Some pulled pork, and some yellow mustard. Now for this sandwich, I chose to do the cheese on the outside of the bun. I suppose I could have done it on the inside, or if I had some Sargento thins, I think I probably could have done both. I could have made each one of these chan cake bun things with a slice of Swiss, some batter, and another slice of Swiss, similar to the cheesy Keto Connect bread that I did in the video that I'll link to up here. Here we go. this is also really good, as evidenced by the fact that I took about 4 bites there before my review. I just couldn't stop. Now, I don't know that any keto-friendly or low-carb bread is going to get you that same sort of Cubano roll consistency. I like this. I kind of enjoy having the crisp on the outside. It gives it almost sort of a paninied type of a texture with the crisp on the outside and the softer on the inside. But this is a win also. So 2 great suggestions. Keep them coming. And thanks for watching.